Hi everyone, I am Mohammed Asani, co-founder of Asasy. My role is to develop reliable, scalable, and usable software products that solves our customer problems. In this section, we will discuss the technical part of Asasy platform. But before we dive too deep into Asasy, let's explain a few concepts about open banking. Open banking, from technical point of view, is a set of APIs that provide access to two main services, which is AIS and PISP. AIS is stand for Account Information Service, which is about fetching data APIs about bank information. PISP stands for Payment Initiative Service Provider, which is about transferring money from bank account to bank account, peer-to-peer transfer, and instant payments. These services will be used or consumed by third-party providers to provide it to the PSU, and the PSU is the Account Servicing Payment Service Provider. PSU is basically the user who are using third-party provider service to get to their specific service or their bank account. Now let me introduce you to our data API we provide at Asasy to third-party providers and how they can integrate with it. First of all APIs in Asasy platform are secured according to UK security frameworks. In order to integrate with data API, you have to go through all these APIs. Auth API helps you to make an authenticated communication to our end. Each third-party provider have to get their token from our auth service so they can use our AIS and PISP. Secondly, we have account consent. Account consent basically is giving the permission to third-party provider to get account information from bank, and this consent is mainly requested by PSU. Moreover, when third-party provider requests for account consent, it has to mention what they will use by this consent. For example, if they want their balance and transactions and so. Last, after getting the account consent, now third-party provider can fetch PSU account information, and we don't forget that the shown information are based on what in the consent. Now, after showing you what's open banking really is and what Asasy will provide, let me take you through our MVP. Our current stage of the product development is getting account consent and account information services. Now we will show you how we will present PSU raw data. We will start with a user who have one bank account. In this section, we will display all the user accounts. Now this user has one account with this IBAN number. These are the details of the account, the balance and the currency of the account, and the transactions. Now we will see if there's any transactions. As you can see, we did fetch uh, a deposit transaction with 500 USD and also another deposit transaction with 190 USD. Also, user can see his consents if he has a consent for if he has signed up for multiple third-party providers apps. He can show all his consent, the active ones and the rejected and the terminated by third-party provider. Now let me show you the other example who the user has two bank accounts. In fintech world, this called is account aggregation. We can at Asasy we can fetch multiple bank accounts, even from different bank accounts. That's possible, and the user can also see the consents and the transactions as we show in previous video, in previous section. And that's it. Thank you very much.